A recent article in Hindu highlighted how cases of harassment and domestic violence are still underreported even in the post-MeToo movement era. It pointed out two high-profile cases of domestic violence which are important for GS1 and Essay Paper. Number 1. Nawaz Modi Singhania, wife of Raymond Group owner Gautam Singhania, was seen squatting at the gate of a Singhania property in a viral video while security personnel refused her entry. She has alleged that her husband beat up, smashed up, kicked and punched his minor daughter Niharika and herself for 15 minutes unrelentingly. Number 2. Zeenat Aman posted a photo of herself in a hospital gown where she was admitted because of a chronic injury caused when she was violently beaten up by a former co-star 40 years ago. Also, the National Family Health Survey has revealed that 29.3% of married women in India experience domestic violence. Yet, in 2021, only 507 cases were registered under the Domestic Violence Act 2005.